Hold on to your seats, Swifties! Resurfaced photos of a 19-year-old Taylor Swift and Hollywood heartthrob Zac Efron at a movie premiere in Sydney 15 years ago are breaking the internet. Stay tuned as we take a nostalgic trip down memory lane with these viral snapshots. In a blast from the past, images of Taylor Swift and Zac Efron attending the Sydney premiere of 17 Again in 2009 have resurfaced, sending fans into a frenzy. Pop Sugar shared the photos on Instagram, showcasing a radiant 19-year-old Swift in a beige shoulderless designer gown adorned with crystal beads, posing alongside a young Efron. On this day 15 years ago, Taylor Swift and Zac Efron attended the Sydney premiere of 17 Again at Hoyt's Entertainment Quarter. Truly, what a time to be alive! Wrote Pop Sugar next to the nostalgic snaps. Swift and Efron, now 36, have maintained a close friendship over the years, even appearing together in the 2012 Dr. Seuss animated movie The Lorax. Back in 2009, Swift, then 34, was touring her Fearless album across Australia, performing on a more intimate scale compared to her recent extravagant Eras tour. Speaking of the Eras tour, last month marked the grand finale in Sydney, where Swift reportedly earned a staggering $25 million per show at Accor Stadium. With 4 concerts in Sydney alone, she took home a whopping $100 million. The pop sensation not only raked in massive personal earnings but also injected an impressive $145 million into the New South Wales economy, drawing thousands of fans from all corners. In Victoria, Swift's impact was equally significant, injecting a staggering $174 million into the state's economy after 3 Melbourne shows. Fans splurged a collective $86 million in accommodation, hospitality, and tourism, with CBD spending witnessing a 30% increase compared to the previous month. As Swift bid farewell to her run of Sydney concerts, she left the crowd cheering with warm words. "Looking at this crowd, the biggest crowd we've had at our 4 shows here," she exclaimed. A record-breaking 96,000 fans attended each of her 3 shows in Melbourne, while a further 83,000 Swifties showed up for each of her 4 shows in Sydney. And there you have it, a whirlwind journey from a Sydney movie premiere with Zac Efron to the grand finale of the Eras tour. What's your favorite Taylor Swift memory? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button for more exclusive updates from Celeb Explore Hub.